Huion was kind enough to send me their Kamvas 22-inch pen display. I received the tablet in September 2022, so I've been putting it to the test for the past 6 or 7 months. I'm a 3D artist, so naturally everyone assumes I'm a master of 2D art too. And I mean, they're not wrong. I can totally draw a perfect circle. I can even do it with my eyes closed. So this means I don't use this tablet for drawing purposes. But this tablet has been my go-to for sculpting, writing handwritten lesson titles for my course, and even as a second monitor. While I can't speak to its drawing capabilities, I can give you an honest review of how it performs in other areas. Since I received this tablet many months ago, this video won't be my initial impressions with the tablet. Also, I won't show you the unboxing like other review videos, because I didn't record that. Although I think you should know what other things came along with this huge pen display. The tablet came with a beautiful pen, which has a nice weight to it, making it comfortable to hold for long periods of time. It is battery-free, which means you don't need to worry about charging it or replacing batteries. This is a great feature for artists who want to focus on their work without worrying about the pen's battery life. Then there is the pen holder, which is donut-shaped. And I think this is a sign telling you to actually follow the donut tutorial, and not the donut from wish.com. This can hold the pen vertically and horizontally as well. Inside the donut, there are replacement nibs. Although I didn't have to change my pen's original nib yet, it's always a good idea to have replacement nibs on hand, since they can wear out over time with use. Then there is a stand, which came with screws, and a screwdriver. It was very easy to assemble. The stand has rubber feet on the bottom to prevent it from sliding around on your desk. The stand is also adjustable, which means you can tilt the display to your preferred angle for comfortable drawing or sculpting. You can position the display at a comfortable angle for your posture, which can help you work for longer periods of time, without experiencing discomfort or fatigue. The stand itself is also sturdy and well made, so you can trust that the display is secure, and won't wobble or shift while you work. You get a drawing glove so you don't leave sweaty hand smudges on your display. You also get a wipe cloth, which you can use to clean the screen, and remove any dust or smudges. The cloth is made of a soft, lint-free material that won't scratch or damage the screen. Usually artists have to buy these things separately, but inclusion of the glove and wipe cloth in the package itself is a nice touch, as it shows that Huion has thought about the little details. The display tablet comes with a 3-in-1 cable that combines the power, HDMI, and USB cables into a single cable. It reduces the number of cables needed to connect the tablet to a computer or power source. This can make for a more organized workspace and reduce cable clutter. You also get a USB-C to C cable, so you can connect your Android phone or tablet with it. There is the power adapter, and also the power cable. Now I'll list out some pros of the main pen display, so you'll know why you should have it, and then some cons as well, so you'll also know why you shouldn't. I'll start with the pros. Pro number 1, size. This pen display boasts a whopping 22-inch screen, giving you more room to get your work done with precision. But wait, there's more. This giant pen display isn't just for drawing or sculpting. You can also use it as a second monitor to watch Netflix in all its glory, so no need to squint at your dinky laptop screen anymore. Pro number 2, Antiglare Screen. Say goodbye to eye strain and fatigue with the Antiglare Screen on this pen display. As an artist and designer, I've spent countless hours hunched over my tablet, but this feature has been a game changer for my eye health. Trust me, I used to practically live at my ophthalmologist's office, but since getting my hands on this device, I've been able to maintain a healthy distance. Your eyes will thank you for investing in this display. Pro number 3, build quality. After using it for over 6 months, I can confidently say that this tablet is very sturdy. The weight and build quality are impressive, and the best part, despite my clumsiness, I haven't managed to break it yet, which is really great. Pro number 4, laminated screen. Because of the laminated screen, the distance between the pen tip and the display surface is significantly reduced, resulting in a more accurate and natural drawing experience. It feels like you are drawing in an actual paper. Laminated screens also have a reduced distance between the glass and the display panel, which results in better color accuracy, sharper images, and improved contrast. Pro number 5, affordability. Despite its impressive features, this device won't cost you an arm and a leg like some of its competitors. This makes it a great option for artists and designers who are just starting out or on a tight budget. And don't worry, the lower price doesn't mean sacrificing quality. This device is built to last, with a large screen and many advanced features that rival even the most expensive models. So if you're looking for a high-quality pen display that won't break the bank, this device is definitely worth considering. Now some cons. Number 1. Portability. I am not sure if this counts as con or not, but it has a large 22-inch display, which make it heavier and bulkier than other smaller pen displays. So it's less portable and more difficult to move around. I don't know about you, but I feel more comfortable to work in my bed rather than the desk. So I have to force myself to sit on the desk when I have to sculpt on it. Number 2. Lack of express keys. Express keys are customizable buttons that you can program to perform specific functions, such as brush size adjustment or zoom in or out. Without express keys, you'll have to rely on keyboard shortcuts or on-screen menus to access these functions, which can be less convenient and slower than simply pressing a physical button. Depending on your workflow and how often you need to access these functions, this could be a significant disadvantage. That being said, Huion does offer an accessory for that. You will have to purchase that separately for around $50. I think getting that will also greatly enhance the workflow. Overall, the Kamvas 22 Plus pen display is an excellent choice for digital artists looking for a high-quality and versatile display tablet. With its impressive features and accessories, it's sure to meet the needs of both beginner and experienced artists alike. I would like to thank Huion for sending me this tablet to review. As this is my first product review, please forgive any mistakes. Also, if you're interested in seeing more tablet reviews, please let me know. I'd be happy to share my thoughts on other devices in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.